They're a perfect side dish for all your meat meals, and they're also really great on their own. I'm making these delicious salt and vinegar smashed potatoes that everyone's gonna love. So let's get started. Now here is a simple and delicious side dish that I make all the time. I'm just going to start with some of these little baby potatoes. These are maybe around golf ball size at the biggest. Just want small ones. It's more important that they're all similar in size so they cook at about the same rate. I'm just going to start in some cold water. Season that pretty heavily with some salt. Then we'll just bring these up to a simmer. Let those simmer until they're tender all the way through, and with these, that's usually going to take 11 or 12 minutes. Now, it's been about 14 minutes, but depending on the size of your potatoes, that could be a little bit different. And I just checked these by getting one of the bigger ones, putting a skewer right down through the center. And that feels pretty tender all the way through, no crispiness in the middle. Now I'll take these and strain these and let them cool down just a little bit before I handle them again. Now my potatoes have cooled down enough that I can handle them. They're still pretty warm, but I want to take these and put them down on a baking sheet that I've lined with a bit of parchment here. Spread them out a little bit and give them room to spread, because the next thing I'm going to do is take something big and flat and heavy, like this cast iron skillet, and smash these guys. Now I'll just put it on there and just press down easy and watch them. I don't want to flatten them all the way, I just want to crush them a little bit. Let's go a little bit more. Now that looks just about right. Crushed it, but it's still one whole piece here. Didn't fall apart on me. Now, let's get these guys seasoned up. I like to hit each one with a little splash of vinegar. This is malt vinegar, but any vinegar will work here. Just hit them with a little splash of that. And a little bit of garlic powder. Drizzle of olive oil. Don't have to be too careful. Just make sure everybody gets some on there. And some nice fresh ground black pepper. Now I like to take just a couple of little rosemary needles. I don't know what you call those. They look like fir tree needles to me, so that's what I'm going to call them. But just 2 or 3 on each one of those. Rosemary's real strong, so that flavor will get in there. And a nice big sprinkling of salt all over those. Salt and vinegar, right? Now these go into a 450-degree oven for about 12 minutes or until they get nice and golden and kind of crunchy. But what I've found works even better is to pop these into an air fryer. So I'm going to put these in my air fryer at about 390, 400 degrees for around 10 minutes. I'll just peek in there, and when they start to get nice and golden and crunchy looking, I'll know they're ready. Now let's see how we did. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna go in there with my hand. Look nice, crunchy, golden. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Boy, something about salt and vinegar and potatoes is just a perfect match. And the potatoes are nice and crunchy on the outside, but the insides are really nice and creamy. These things are absolutely fantastic. So whether you serve these up with your favorite meat treat or just make a plate of them and eat them straight like this, I know you're gonna love them. Thanks for watching. I sure wish I had something to serve these with.